Hi guys, and welcome to this video. My name is Dami. Thank you for coming and joining me. I am going to show you how I created this gorgeous look. I decided to do a pop of colour. So basically on Instagram I did a poll on my story saying, should I do a natural everyday look or should I do something dramatic? Everyone said I should do something dramatic, so this is it. How do you guys think I did? I like it. It's really cool. There's some colour, there's some dimension, it's cute. You know, to start off, the first thing I'm going to use, just this little sample that I got from MAC. It's basically just the primer, but it's really nice because it makes the skin, the base of the skin, really nice and glowy. Just placing it mostly in the centre of my face. It feels so nice. I forgot how nice this feels. I am mixing some Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil. I believe this is in the colour Queen. I'm taking some of that at the back of my hand. And I'm taking the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector and I'm just adding that to the mix because I want a nice glowy base. Just mixing those two together and applying it to the tops of my cheeks. In the centre of my nose, under my chin. I just want to look glowy. And I'm taking NARS New Caledonia. And I'm just going to take a tiny pump of Caracas just so it's not as dark. And I'm just going to mix it to the back of my hand. And I'm just going to apply directly to my face. And I'm happy with that colour. But what are your plans for summer? Like, are you excited? Do you have anything planned? I think now is the best time to plan because it just gets you excited. So yeah, I'm just blending that and I'm using the Remsco Creation Beauty Blender, which is amazing because it's so soft and it's only £5. So something like that, you can't go wrong. Yeah, and I bought a few. I actually bought a few in bulk because I'm really enjoying it. It was recommended to me by Lake Sanu, so if she recommends it, then you go and buy it. I'm really taking my time to do the base just because I want it perfected. And yeah, I just want to look good, to be honest. Yep, so that's my base done. I'm going to take my NARS concealer in Amande and I'm just applying this to the centre of my face. So just under the eyes, along the ridge of my nose and down. And doing the same on the other side. The centre of my forehead. And I'm just going to highlight my nose. Okay, that's a bit much, but top of my lips because I have a bit of a mustache there. My chin, and then I'm just going to connect the two. Now I'm going to take a bit of concealer, just in Chestnut, and I'm just going to, there's just a slightly brighter colour. Just putting it under my eyes, the centre of my forehead, there, and on my chin. Taking my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to blend that out. So guys, basically, I filmed this video for the first time and then, I don't know where my head was, but I accidentally deleted the footage. It was unsalvageable. So I'm just trying to film this again. I'm trying my best, guys. I really want to create more content. Okay, and I'm just going to take my Bobbi Brown foundation stick in Espresso. Yes, and I'm taking some of that at the back of my hand. I'm just going to take a synthetic brush and pick up some of that product. Smile for the cameras. And then, so just applying above this area here. So I'm just taking it a bit by bit. And again, I'm doing the same on this side. So I'm just going to mostly pack the colour on. Into the hairline, stapple, stapple, stapple. And you can see it's a lot more warmer. I like it. Take my Huda Beauty powder in kunafa, and I'm taking this really old sponge that I had, and I'm just gonna take the corner of it, tap off the excess, and use the first beauty blender again just to remove out any creases that I may have. Really pressing that into the skin. Can you see, like, it's already set in. So I'm just gonna blend that out. And as you can tell, I'm not putting too much powder. The less the better, just for a more natural skin, a lot more of a nicer skin-like finish when you use less powder. I'm taking my Mineralize powder in dark and I'm just gonna set my whole face. Taking my Bobbi Brown brush and I'm just sweeping that, well, patting that on the skin. Guys, this video is just giving me summer vibes. I feel like I'm on holiday. I think it's the lighting. Like, I just feel so lovely golden and brown in this lighting. Oh, this smells so good. Sorry, I'm taking Sun Power, which is a lot warmer colour. I'm just using this to give my skin, just to bronze it a bit and give it a bit of warmth. Now I'm using the powder in dark golden, and I'm using that to set under my eyes. Can you see, guys? Can you see? I'm taking my LA Girl concealer in Fawn, and I'm just going to apply that on my lids. And I'm using this just to meet out the colour, so it really stands out. And I'm taking this flat shader brush, and I'm just going to pat that in place so it doesn't budge. Since I'm going for a bright look today, I'm going to start off using this palette. So this is the Magic Mini by Juvia's palette. I'm going to use colours that I don't usually use because I'm going to step out my comfort zone in this video. So I'm just going to take Cookie, and I'm going to blend into the crease. Ooh, this is colour. Oh honey, you can't be shy with these colours. No. I'm just going to apply some powder under the eyes just in case there's any fallout. You guys wanted colour, I'm giving y'all colour. Ooh, this colour, can you see it? This colour is sexy, fam. I'm kind of digging it just like this, you know. Imagine just a bit of get your eyebrows done and that's it. This is a summer vibe. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now for the crease, I'm going to take Ife. Ife, just because she's Nigerian and Yoruba, I'm going to take her. I'm a little bit biased, yes. So this is a matte blue. Don't think I've ever used a matte blue. Pink and blue. Okay. Anyway, I just pat in this colour where my crease is. Oh my gosh. I might do a spotlight eye because I love a spotlight eye. Guys, I actually feel like a clown, but I know my deepest of deepest knowing that it's gonna turn out nice. It has to, doesn't it? Anyway, I'm taking the first pink Cookie, and I'm just going to use this fluffy Morphe brush and just blend up the two edges. And I'm taking my time with it, ain't no rush. I ain't got nowhere to be. It's starting to grow on me. I feel very baby girlish. Oh, she cute or whatever. What colour should I use in the middle now? What kind of vibe is this? I'm thinking I'll take this colour here. This is cute, yeah. And it's still bright, so nobody can complain. I'm just going to apply it first in the centre of my eyes and see if I like it there. Paso latido. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's ill. She's not sick, she's ill, fam. Oh my god. Ooh. It's so satisfying putting this colour on. That's the funny thing. It's coming together. She's coming together. You just have to trust me. Trust in me. Okay, now I'm taking the first brush that I used with the blue on it, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of this Faso colour. Yeah, that really looks nice. Ooh. 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 Taking my pencil brush from Bobbi Brown. I'm using that same Ife colour under the waterline. I'm taking that from the edge all the way to the beginning to the end. Pull whatever face you need to pull to get in the crevices. I'm taking the brush that I used to blend out the pink, and I'm just going to take a bit of that and smudge out the bottom line. I want it quite hazy, so I'm going to go quite lower down. I'm taking my black eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to put that in the waterline just on top of my lashes. Ooh, guys. Yeah, and then I'm just going to take a bit of my black eyeshadow. I'm just going to blend out the eyeliner that I just put on. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of black just to define the inner corners. Now time for mascara on top and bottom lashes. Time for brows, finally. I'm going to take the Anastasia palette and I'm going to mix a bit of ebony. But first I'm going to use some brow gel just to brush the brows out, and then just so it has staying power throughout the day or night. So I'm going into the ebony shade first. I'm taking my Amande in the soft matte concealer from NARS. I'm just going to take a bit of that on my brush and clean the brows. Now I'm going to go in with some Mocha Mummy from Fenty. This is basically where I put the sun power. I'm going to take this brown shade and use that to shape in my nose. I'm using a brush just to blend that out. So I'm just going to take my Tatti Lashes in TL4 and apply them off camera, and I'll be right back. So guys, I've just applied the lashes and these look absolute oof. Hello. I'm taking my Fix Plus spray. I'm just going to use that to set my whole face. I'm using my Pooski, my favourite brush from Morphe, the M501. This MAC, unfortunately, it was limited edition during Christmas. But look at it, guys. Just in case it comes out again. Okay, anyway. So I'm taking this middle colour, which is my fave. Buff. I'm just going to take this brighter colour. I'm just going to apply it just on the tops of it. Guys, with this highlighter, you just be shining like some glazed donut. Ooh, from Creams, the simple one. Nothing too fancy, just a plain, simple glazed donut from Krispy Kremes. Oh, just give me a moment. Yeah, okay, I'm over it. Anyways, I'm taking that pink and I'm just gonna blush myself up. Again, I'm gonna take my favourite brush, okay? My favourite brush. I'm gonna take this shade here and I'm just gonna use it to contour. I wanna add a bit of shadow. And you can smile just so the shape really comes out. Time for the lips. I'm gonna take Chestnut and just line the lips. I'm gonna take the Key Coat in number 20 and I'm just gonna gloss up my lips. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Thank you guys. So this is the finished look. A pop of colour. How'd you say I do, boo? I'm so happy that I did this because I could have given up. I could have failed, but I decided to persist, you know. Thank God. God gave me the strength in order to do this, to keep pushing on. So I do better, honestly. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see more of my makeup looks on my clients, my page is SculptedbyD. And come join me, come join the family where I'll be posting a lot more. You get to see me on my day-to-day basis anyway. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on Wednesdays.